Hey everybody, it's Mark and Casey. We're excited to announce the parade tour that we're doing coming up October 12th. It's going to be from 1 to 5 o'clock is the tour. We're going to go out and see 5 or 6 of the favorite homes that we pick and kind of do it a little bit where we just follow and caravan around and follow each other. And that's going to be the beginning part of it. And then after that we're going to...
Yeah, then afterwards we're going to head down to Perrin Brewing Company from 5 to 7. Food and drinks on us, and that's where we'll get to interact with you guys a little bit, and we'll also have some games and some giveaways that Mark's going to talk about right now.
Yeah, so we're going to try like a little poker run. So each home that you actually hit, you're going to be able to get a card for the poker run, and then past clients and MVPs get an extra card or two. We've got some of those details that we're going to hash out yet, but then when you get to Perrin and you're relaxing, having a drink and some food, we're gonna get the cards out, look who has the best poker hand, and there's gonna be a prize for the best poker hand. So we're kind of mixing in a little fun, with the tour itself.
Yeah, it should be a good time. We'll have more details for you guys coming up. We'll be posting a lot on our Facebook event page, so stay connected there. Our RE/MAX Connected group. Also, a lot of us will be reaching out, text and email, and getting a hold of everyone that we hope to see there. So
yeah, looking forward to it. The Parade of Homes is always fun, seeing what the latest trends are. If you're looking to remodel your house, pick some new colors, maybe you're thinking of building, maybe you're just getting some different ideas. It's always fun. So it's something we've done for the last couple of years and we'll continue to do. So looking forward to seeing you guys, having some fun, seeing homes, having some of these maybe, and some good food, and looking forward to it. Stay tuned on the Facebook page for more information.
Can't wait.
See ya.